Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn Sumter. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Red Roof Inn Sumter features rooms with free Wi-Fi and satellite TV. It is 4 miles from Shaw Air Force Base. Red Roof Inn Sumter offers rooms with a microwave and refrigerator. Each room also has a seating area and desk. A business center and coin laundry are available for guest use during their stay. Sumter Red Roof Inn is 2 miles from the University of South Carolina-Sumter and Crystal Lakes Golf Course. It is a 10-minute drive from Swan Lake, Iris Gardens. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.